There's something incredibly satisfying about running your fingers through hair that actually cooperates. And if you've ever stood in front of the mirror wondering why your strands feel more like straw than silk, you're definitely not alone. Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products with honesty, expertise, and just the right touch of curiosity. Today, I've been testing a product that claims to give your hair that soft, fluid, touchable finish we all crave. The It's a 10 Haircare Silk Express Miracle Silk Conditioner. If you love staying ahead of the best beauty finds, make sure you subscribe and tap that bell so you never miss a review that could save your hair and your wallet. This conditioner is designed for all hair types and focuses on healing and hydrating dry, damaged strands while improving elasticity. It's formulated to smooth, soften, and manage hair without weighing it down, and it's meant to slip right into your regular wash routine. I kept my expectations neutral going in, simply evaluating what It's a 10 promises versus what it actually delivers. Using it felt surprisingly easy. It has that classic creamy but not heavy texture that spreads quickly through the mid-lengths and ends. I tried it on freshly washed hair for several days in a row, testing it after heat styling, air drying, and even on a day when my hair was feeling particularly depleted from outdoor weather. What stood out immediately was how fast it seemed to absorb. Some conditioners sit on top of the hair and make you feel like you have to wait forever for them to do something. This one didn't drag or feel greasy. Rinsing it out, my hair already felt a little smoother, always a promising sign. But the real test was how it looked and behaved once it dried. On the positive side, my hair felt softer without that slippery, coated feeling that some silicone-heavy formulas create. Elasticity definitely felt improved. My hair had more give, especially at the ends, which tend to feel the brunt of dryness. I also appreciated that it didn't weigh my hair down, which is so important if you have finer strands like mine. But there are a few things to be aware of. While it hydrates well, it's not the kind of deep moisture you'd expect from a heavy mask, so extremely damaged hair may need something more intensive. And depending on how thick your hair is, you may find yourself using quite a bit per application, which can impact how long the bottle lasts. Still, the overall usability is strong, easy to distribute, easy to rinse, and easy to incorporate into your weekly routine. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. For its price point, the quality feels justified. You're getting a salon-tier conditioner that performs better than many drugstore options in terms of slip, smoothing, and elasticity. For anyone who uses heat tools regularly or battles dryness, the formula strikes a nice balance between lightweight moisture and noticeable performance without leaving buildup. Comparing it to others in the same category, this one stands out for its consistency. It works reliably without needing a ton of product. Some conditioners either over-soften and flatten the hair or hydrate only on the day of use, but this one offered a repeated softness that didn't disappear the next wash day. It's gentler than ultra-rich masks, so it won't replace deep conditioning treatments if your hair needs heavy repair, but it performs very well as a staple conditioner. The build quality of the product overall feels solid. The pump is sturdy, the consistency stays stable over time, and the formula doesn't separate or thin out as you get through the bottle. Longevity-wise, if your hair is dense or dry, you might go through it faster, but that's expected with richer conditioners. I didn't need customer support for this one, but It's a 10. Generally has a strong reputation for addressing concerns quickly and maintaining good communication with buyers, which is always reassuring when a brand markets salon-grade products. If the price feels a bit high for you, there are less expensive options like Not Your Mother's, smoothness conditioners, or even some Shea Moisture formulas that hydrate nicely, though they don't offer the same slip or elasticity boost that this one brings. If you're hunting specifically for that silky finish with minimal heaviness, this conditioner still holds its ground as a standout. Overall, here's my take. The It's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Silk Conditioner lives up to its claims in a practical, consistent way. It hydrates, softens, and improves manageability without weighing down the hair, making it ideal for anyone who wants lightweight moisture with a noticeable smoothing effect. If your hair is moderately dry, heat-styled, or simply stubborn when it comes to softness, this fits beautifully into a weekly routine. Extremely damaged hair may need an additional mask, but for everyday conditioning, this is a strong performer. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the product link in the comments or description box. And if you've already tried this conditioner, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it worked for your hair. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.